The Dow soared 489 points today to levels not seen in 2 weeks. Financials led the rally. JP Morgan and Citigroup were both above 8%. Cyclical sectors like industrials and materials were also among the best performing groups. Caterpillar and Cummins were also above 8%, while U.S. Steel was up 15% and Alcoa was up 7%. Strong economic figures and news that a group of central banks were trying to stabilize the world economy propelled stocks higher early in the day. Fundamental news out of the U.S. far exceeded expectations. First up was ADP employment, which increased by 206,000 for the biggest increase this year. Chicago PMI came in at 62.6, nicely ahead of 50 for the break-even point. Low prices and interest rates are starting to breathe some life into the housing market. The decision by the People's Bank of China to cut reserve rates and stem an economic slowdown in the Far East also helped. Then the Federal Reserve Board, the ECB, and a group of central banks this morning announced a coordinated effort to reduce the cost of U.S. dollar funding to save European banks from going belly up. This action likely prevented another Lehman-like event from occurring, but it does little to address the excessive debt load looming in Europe. At the close, all three indices were up over 4% today. The Dow gained 489 points at 12,044. The S&P 500 was up 52 points to 1247, and the Nasdaq swelled 104 points to 2620.